welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, Yul Edochie in tears. Aye, shame and disgrace don't enter Yul Edochie body. They don't kuma finish the last leg of table when Yul Edochie take over in face. Aye, hey lelele, my people. This one don't hit Yul Edochie very bad. Yul Edochie hot tears na it drop for a whole man eyes. Yul Edochie, you are a disgrace, oh, you are a disgrace. After I hear wetin I hear, I shake head for you. I pray may God and the universe have mercy on you. You too do, oh, you too do. Yul Edochie, you are nothing but a disgrace to fatherhood. You are nothing but a disgrace to men. Yul Edochie in tears as shame and disgrace enter body. Now so we sit down today, one video can go viral about Yul Edochie's son, Kai Yul Edochie. The video went viral after they make us to know that Kai is a medical student. The boy, they study as a medical student. Ogini name for this our generation, especially for Nigeria. Remember, they say a lot of children, they know they pass WAEC again for Nigeria. They say a lot of them know they pass again. They don't know what is happening. They are asking the education system, what is happening, what is happening. So to get doctors for Nigeria now, now by local. Yes. Because a lot of them, when you not pass WAEC, you want to become a medical student. So, according to the video that went viral, Priceless said, May Edochie, Misiano Skincare, the skin goddess, they were all together in a party. While they were in this party, everybody was eating jollof rice and fried rice with moi moi, with pepper soup. Kai was busy in one corner, they study, they read. So that thing drew Priceless attention. Priceless was surprised. For party where everybody they dance, this boy your poet for grand, they right. So Priceless walk up to Kai. As he reached there, nice Kai. Ogini me, what are you doing? Are you not dancing, flexing? Kai say, in the study. For inside here, Kai say that one not disturb him. Say no, even if the crowd dey. Now you know, say even if crowd dey, he still the study. Priceless was surprised. Now Priceless carry the book, say, let me see what you they study. Priceless carry. Now the woman shout, say, hey, this kind of a graphic thing, now you they study for you. Not be smart, you know. He even showed us on the camera. See what this boy they study. Not be smart, you know, book full. So Priceless was not saying, it is not easy to be a medical student. Now the video come fly viral. Say, hey, May Edochie's second son is studying medicine. The reason why the video went viral, it is not because of anything else, but it still remains strange how May Edochie, with everything that happened to her, she is still capable, bounceable, to take proper care of her children, even while hustling, even while working. Because some people don't talk am for this social media, say, May Edochie, she know they stay one place, she know they take care of her children, she know they look her children. I they look them, this Judreko is who members where they talk so 24 hours they social media and they get small children. Small children they handle. When they see they go primary nursery school, they social media 24 hours. So don't even know whether their children still they do homework. They will just say they go and do it. Whether the homework is correct or is not correct, they don't even know, because they are there thinking of what May Edochie want to post next. They are the one dragging May Edochie. She travel go here. She not take care of her children. Her children don't know anything. Now they were all surprised. Say Kai, on a coded mood, was studying medicine. One dash shall never end. Now so video take go viral, my lovely fans. Video go viral, go land where Yul Edochie dey. Ikpokoro, ikpakara. And let me shock you how Yul Edochie hear about this video. It was somebody that reached out to Yul Edochie first. The person called Yul Edochie and told Yul Edochie, congratulations. The person told Yul Edochie, congratulations, Papa graduate, Papa doctor. Yul Edochie come weak. Say, which kind Papa doctor, Papa graduate? He understand graduate. His daughter just graduated. Papa doctor. Doctor, the Daniela study medicine. So Yul Edochie thought that it was all about Daniela. Not knowing that it was not about Daniela, but rather it was his son. So the person told Yul Edochie said, no, you made a mistake. His daughter did not study medicine. His daughter studied something else. The person said, no, I'm not talking about Daniela. I'm talking about Kai. Yul Edochie come weak. What a shame and disgrace. Yul Edochie don't even know wetin his son dey study for school. Aye, Yul Edochie, you failed, oh. You failed as a father. You failed as a man. All this your crocodile tears no go solve anything. Because you thought that these children will be nobody. You thought that these children, they will be nobody without you. But shame don't catch you. The shame don't tie you. The shame don't wear you agbada. Look at your son. They say Yul Edochie, all tears come out for his eye. And Yul Edochie said he feel betrayed. Because he and Kai, they talk sometimes. Even if it is not a talk of peace. Because they war a lot. They fight each other a lot. Yul Edochie said Kai has never for one day mentioned to him that he is studying medicine. Hey. For a child to hide wetin they study from you, that is to tell you the kind of papa where you be now. That is to tell you. Imagine you wey no gree go school, where your papa lock for inside house, use koboko your bumbo well, and say, Yul Edochie, before I open my eyes, carry your school bag, run back to Port Harcourt. Let me see you in Uniport. You run back to Port Harcourt. That is the reason you can speak correct English for our head today. If not, you and Juju Ekwesu for joy equalize. Too illiterate. Hey! Social media for hot too. Imagine Juju Ekwesu shouting, hey, Semele Joffa, hey, Zedike, hey, Semele Joffa. The only thing she knows how to do. You for there, the other side, they shout, Ijele Uwelemo, Ijele Emelemo, Ijele Emelemo, hey, gidi, hey, werere. Now you for the shout. Too illiterate for their social media. They disturb our ear. But thank God for Peter Edochie. When he force you go school, when he make sure say you graduate, Peter Edochie make sure say he pursue you, he make sure say you finish that school. Imagine your father did the same thing you did to your children. Imagine your father go marry one woman, abandon your mama, abandon you. By this time now, you for don't join kidnapper gang, because that your head will know the year what so. There is nothing you can tell me. You for join kidnapper. Now kidnapper now you for don't be. But see the way your father followed you up. Make sure you graduate. You reach your own turn now. You don't even know what you're picking the study. Hey! Hey! May God not let our father, our uncle, our brothers, even our children, God forbid, to meet a evil Jezebel like Juju Ekwensu. That is the worst thing that can ever happen. No? When a man meets a Jezebel, they show, they appear, you they see them physical, spiritual, anyhow you want to see them, they show themselves. Look at Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie don't know wetin his son they study. The man they cry. Tears of shame and disgrace. It's not tears of pencil. It's not tears of betrayal. It is called tears of shame and disgrace. You know, people where they believe say person no go ever go higher. When they come see say that person go higher, God bless that person, shame go come catch them. They go come fold their hands, say, "Hey, I wish I know. I wish I know" is a bad language because it can never come back. It is gone. It look like the time 10 o'clock this morning can never come back again. 10 o'clock will be tomorrow. Today own Otilo. Otilo for today. And it's not coming back never again. That is I don't know language. Yul Edochie is crying out of shame. They thought that May Edochie cannot make it. Yul Edochie was mocked. He joined Juju Ekwensu, they mock May Edochie. Forget it. Those of you that are saying Juju Ekwensu, Yul Edochie carried Juju Ekwensu for back. He carry her for back. Though Juju Ekwensu na they trigger the trigger, but Yul Edochie supported, he helped her hold one side of the trigger so that she can trigger the trigger. They thought that May Edochie children will become Efulefu. Why? Because May Edochie is a traveler, is an hustler, is a businesswoman. She travels around. So, during the time May Edochie was trying to build herself, it was a tough time. Said, I fix everything in my home. If I'm going to work, I fix food, I fix the kids, everything, I arrange everything. Why won't she arrange everything? She has been doing it all alone for years. So they thought that this woman, this one where they travel up and down, your children now, they're not going to know anything. Your children now, they go fail. That was why Juju Ekwensu was angry when Daniela graduated. Because they never believed that Daniela will graduate. With everything that happened, they see that girl enemy as a failure. The graduation pain them. Now it make you see, say for social media, they continue to talk the grade of Daniela. Person come out with AA, then they downgrade them. Even Yul Edochie know say his daughter never go back for school one day. The girl say, I put my best. I don't know. We are now living on a social media. When it be say people will not write exam for Daniela, they know Daniela grade pass her. In short, now they even get the grade. Not be Daniela can't get. Another one don't come shock them again. No. Why they are there crying on top of AA with Daniela carry? Why they are there crying on top of AA with Daniela carry? Now Kai won't come aside, medical doctor. Oga yo in tears. Shame to catch Yul Edochie. It be like say, they pour cold water, chilled cold water for a body. They say body pulls the man. I thought that a parent should be happy for their children's success. Why can't reach Yul Edochie? The man on the weak. Body pulls Yul Edochie. Shame catch the man. The man is a shame. Yul Edochie don't even know wetin his son dey study. He said Kai no tell him. He said nobody told him. He said he thought Kai was studying business admin. He said he never knew say na medical students na Kai be. Oga wey refuse to pay school fees. No be who pay school fees, they ask pikin say wetin you study for school. Because of school fees, because of expenses of children you dey run. There is nothing chasing Yul Edochie from his children than the money, expenses. He no wan pay. He no wan pay. Never fit take care of monogamy. Say he wan do polygamy. See Juju Ekwensu, Mr. Abbas children now, all those one they as dropouts. Wonder shall never end. Yo. They say yo don't weak oh. Say the man don't weak. I don't even know why Yul Edochie wetin make body the pepper. I don't know why Yul Edochie say he's down. Down as how? Down as how? They say you sleep on your bed the way you lay it. This is just the beginning. Just wait, make these children grow. You get a lot of questions to answer from their hand. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.